I bought this liquids pouch from Osprey and it's been working really well. This is perfect for when you want to bring liquids as a carry-on item on an aircraft. The volume of this bag is 1 liter, which means that it will pass through airline security. So what can you actually fit in there? If I put that up to the camera, you can see that there's a bottle of mouthwash, there is toothpaste. If I turn that around, you can see that there is a bottle of deodorant, there is a lotion, there's also a bottle of shampoo, and then at the top there is even a small vial of perfume. On this side there is a loop, which will make it easy to grab this out of your bag. It also helps you in opening the zipper because you can kind of use it as a support. The zipper, by the way, is really high quality, and this is a product from Osprey that makes those excellent backpacks. A final feature that you may notice is that the bottom here is flat. You can see it there. And that means two things. One is you can easily put things vertically in the bag, but you can also place this on a counter or in the bathroom standing up. So far, I've been very happy with this bag and I would happily recommend it. Learn more with the link in the description below the video. And that link is to Amazon. Do not use Osprey's own online store. That's the mistake that I made, and it is a very bad experience. So check out the link below, and I will even link to all the other products that I have inside the bag. Another bag that you may be interested in is the Osprey Heritage Scarab 30. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about that backpack, including the pros and the cons of that particular model. Thank you very much for watching 2-Minute Reviews.